Boom! Protector Symposium 6.0 is coming. Apocalypse. Man, I am so excited for this upcoming Protector Symposium. We took a way more holistic perspective at building this event. You know, like, I think there's a lot of events out there that are very niche, very narrow, not in a negative way, but they focus on one thing. I want you guys to walk away from this symposium with the skills you need to protect your family in a number of ways. The skills you need for the next Black Swan event, the next emergency, the next pandemic, the next whatever they come up with, the next whatever it is, you know, an EMP, social unrest, all that stuff, right? So this instructor cadre is unlike any that I've assembled before. When I tell you guys the Protector Symposium, if you're going to do one training event this year, if you're going to do one training event, the Protector Symposium, in my opinion, is by far the largest value for the money. You're going to get to learn from 7 elite instructors. You're going to walk away with a certificate with multiple high-powered brands on it. The training curriculum is designed to meet you where you're at. You're going to get time with these instructors in a small class for them to come and serve you at your level of efficiency, your level of performance. You're going to learn everything from urban disruptive tactics from Calderon, what to do if a larger force is trying to occupy your neighborhood. What if there's social unrest? What if, I don't know, people are dropping out of the sky in parachutes? What if there is a takeover? What if there's a catastrophe in your neighborhood, like a storm or a fire, and the aftermath is people running around trying to victimize the people who were victims of the catastrophe, right? How do you disrupt that and protect your family? You're going to learn from Thomas Coyne, one of the top foremost survival experts on the planet. One of my buddies is doing an indigenous Alaskan retreat with him where they're living off the land. They take nothing with them other than their clothes. Like, this is the man to learn how to survive from it. He's going to be teaching you how to bug in, bug out, what to take with you, or what to use and do if you have to go hard at your house and not, right? Next up, we're going to have Craig Douglas, one of my favorite instructors to work with, a consummate gentleman, a dangerous gentleman. And he's going to be teaching you Man CQB. There's a lot of ninja, lurpy, body kit and rifle stuff out there. But what's the reality of the situation? If there's an active shooter, if there's an active human threat, more than likely it's going to be you and your CCW that's going to have to deal with the violence in your workplace, the violence at the event you're at, the shooting at the mall, the gas station shooting, whatever it is. So having the skills to understand how to navigate an urban environment with your pistol solo is what this is going to be all about. We've got John Burke, who's going to be teaching hand-to-hand tactics. This is a simple system that can help you control a human being and survive a hand-to-hand altercation. He is one of the Gracie family's first black belts in the United States. Like, this pedigree of instructor is like a unicorn martial arts instructor. He's rewriting curriculum for law enforcement agencies around the United States to help them deal with the hand-to-hand component of what they have to do. And now he's gonna be available to you, right? We have Sweeney, who's going to be teaching you one of the most important skills you're going to need in your everyday life, you use in your everyday life, and that may be required, which is protective driving. What do you do if someone tries to run you off the road? What do you do if you're in the middle of an accident? You need vehicle dynamics. You need to push your car. Do you know how fast you can turn a Suburban without it flipping over? Do you know how to over-skid, under-skid, correct a skid if you end up peeling out while you're trying to drive? Do you know what to do if someone pulls up and tries to pit you and push you off the road? Can you defend yourself? Do you know how to pit someone else off the road if they're attacking you while driving? What can you do with the car that you drive in every single day while car accidents are still within the top 5 leading causes of death in the United States? These are skills everyone needs. Everyone from the law enforcement agent, the military personnel, the professional protectors, the mom that's just got to drive her kids to school. Right? You're going to learn from Clint Emerson, the man himself, Navy SEAL, amazing background, some I can and can't talk to you about. Nonetheless, he's the man when it comes to 100 deadly skills on multiple topics. He teaches corporations, private security professionals, civilians. He's got an amazing brand. Look these guys up. He's going to be teaching risk assessments, how to assess risk in your life and how to plan for that. Everyone has a risk profile based on your neighborhood, based on your activities, based on your kids, based on your level of affluence. There's so much risk that is always present that people just aren't aware of, and then they get blindsided by it, and there's no one better to teach it than the infamous Clint Emerson, y'all. So you're going to get to benefit from all these instructors, both in the classroom, both in person, and it's always just an amazing weekend when you get to build and spend time and network with your Protector Nation family, and then I'm going to be there as well. So this is a once-in-a-lifetime training opportunity. Do not hesitate. Get your tickets. And I have to give a special thanks to our sponsors, USCCA, for sponsoring and bringing you this event. They are our title sponsors. They're helping us make all of this possible. They help you with the fight after the fight, training, insurance, all that stuff if you're a CCW owner. Get with them. You should not be carrying a weapon without that type of coverage. So I look forward to seeing you guys October 6th through the 9th. You don't have to stay for the whole thing depending on what ticket you get. Let's train together. Let's make the world a safer place by helping good people to be more willing, capable, and prepared. Byron Rodgers, man of peace. Yo, go to protectorsymposium.com to get your tickets while they last. They're going to run out. This event is a once-in-a-lifetime training opportunity, literally.